Hello and thanks for joining. I'm Matt Kwiatkowski, a VMware Technical Account Manager for Ingram Micro. Today I'm going to talk to you about vSphere with Operations Management, and we're going to go into a technical overview of why vSOM matters to you and your clients. Many of your customers have already virtualized their infrastructure with VMware vSphere. This provides you with an outstanding opportunity to deliver the value of VMware vSphere with Operations Management. It offers the most trusted virtualization platform, vSphere, along with intelligent operations, performance monitoring, and capacity management, key features that heavily affect the IT outcomes of your current customer install base. Today, you'll learn about these features and why vSOM is a must-have for VMware customers. vSphere with Operations Management not only offers a more intuitive user interface than vCenter Server, but it also takes vCenter Server monitoring capabilities further by adding predictive analytics to help with faster problem discovery and remediation, as well as more efficient resource management. A unified command console displays key performance indicators and easily identifiable colored badges and provides a comprehensive view into what is driving current and potential future performance and capacity management issues. Performance monitoring and capacity management analyze vCenter Server performance data and establish dynamic thresholds, which provide smart alerts about health degradations, performance bottlenecks, and capacity shortfalls. vSOM introduces increased performance and availability of mission-critical applications through new and enhanced functionality to deliver greater agility, efficiency, and resiliency at high service levels for your IT environments. vSphere with Operations Management is optimized for next-generation workloads such as Hadoop and Pivotal, as well as providing the increased performance and scalability with features like vSphere Flash Read Cache. vSOM has also increased host-level configuration maximums, such as the increase of logical CPUs supported to 320. We also support up to 64 terabyte virtual machine disk files. Improvements like these offer lower latency for applications and allow us to support even the largest business-critical applications that our customers are trying to virtualize today. vSphere App HA is a new feature that complements the functionality of vSphere HA to detect and recover from application failure. App HA improves application uptime through policy-based, application-level monitoring, and automated remediation with multiple recovery options. For example, restarting the application service or restarting the virtual machine. Application HA eliminates the need for app-specific clustering solutions, therefore reducing the complexity involved in managing infrastructure silos as well as costs associated with the solutions. vSphere App HA leverages vFabric Hyperic to deliver uniform monitoring and support for the most commonly used off-the-shelf applications, such as Apache Web Server, Apache Tomcat, SQL Server, SharePoint, and vFabric TC Server. vSphere Flash Read Cache is a vSphere feature that virtualizes server-side flash, providing a high-performance read cache layer that dramatically lowers application latency. The caching is fully transparent to the virtual machine without requiring any guest agents. vSphere Flash Read Cache enables allocation of flash resources at a per VMDK granularity, providing vMotion consistent read caching and integration with features such as DRS for initial placement. One of the exciting new areas we are seeing dramatic growth in is around big data and Hadoop. We have been working for the past couple years to figure out a way to make Hadoop workloads run better on vSphere. With VMware's efforts around Project Serengeti, they've created a management tool that integrates with vSphere's vCenter to help customers deploy, run, and manage Hadoop clusters running on vSphere. This brings all the benefits of virtualization to Hadoop, most notably agility, multi-tenancy, and reliability and security. One key advantage of virtualizing Hadoop can be found in the lower left-hand side of the slide. By deploying multiple virtual machines on a single physical host, customers are able to separate data and compute resources within the same physical host. This allows customers to spin up different compute virtual machines seamlessly in an elastic scaling model while keeping their data persistent and secure. This also allows customers to create true multi-tenancy environments and to scale clusters elastically at the click of a button. Even when virtualizing Hadoop on vSphere, our customers are able to maintain data locality to ensure performance that is roughly equivalent to a native deployment. Additionally, by introducing the notion of VM-based isolation to Hadoop, our customers are able to better control data, making their Hadoop clusters more reliable and secure. Resource, version, and security isolation allows IT to specify resource pools amongst internal users, partition data sets to ensure data security, and simultaneously run different operating system, distro, and app versions. This gives IT departments ultimate control of their data while leveraging vSphere's industry-leading HA and fault tolerance technology. VMware is continuing to improve its ability to support and run Hadoop workloads on vSphere and look for this to be an area of continued innovation. vSphere Replication is the only true hypervisor-based replication solution for vSphere, enabling simpler management directly from vCenter Server with virtual machine granularity. It natively integrates with SRM for customers that want full automated DR orchestration. vSphere Replication provides robust asynchronous replication with flexible recovery point objectives that can get as low as 15 minutes. Because it operates at the individual virtual machine disk level, it enables replication that is storage agnostic. So customers can save not only on replication software, but also on storage infrastructure by using lower-end heterogeneous arrays across locations, including direct attached storage. vSphere Data Protection is VMware's backup and replication solution. Based on the reliable EMC Avamar technology, it is deployed as a virtual appliance on a vSphere host and provides agentless, image-level backups to disk. VDP unlocks storage savings through built-in variable length deduplication, and it also increases the speed of both backup and recovery through change block tracking. It is integrated with the platform and managed directly from the vSphere web client to provide a common GUI for the virtual infrastructure admin, therefore resulting in operating expense savings as well. VDP features full VM recovery and even end-user file-level recovery. A VDP deployment can be easily upgraded to VDP Advanced, which provides greater scalability and application-aware agents. In a 2014 benchmark study, Management Insight found that VMware customers reported significant operational and business benefits as a result of deploying vCenter Operations Management in their vSphere environments. In addition to the significant gains from implementing vSphere alone, key performance metrics increased by 20 to 40%. In a later demo, you're going to see how these numbers ring true before your eyes. The numbers speak for themselves. Customers who have deployed operations management return a greater return on their investment in contrast to standard VMware vSphere customers who have not deployed vSphere with operations management. Our operations management customers are also realizing significant business benefits. Incremental improvement exceeds 30% in visibility across layers, application availability, capacity utilization, how many VMs per administrator, and user satisfaction with IT. Our customers report a substantial improvement in the cost and downtime benefits realized from vSphere alone, to a 53% reduction in cost of managing the IT infrastructure, and a 54% decrease in downtime of Tier 1 applications. After deploying operations management, a system admin can support between 20 and 30 additional VMs. Capacity is improved via moving VMs to balance utilization, increasing CRs, and reclaiming VMs. And perhaps the best part of vSphere with Operations Management and VMware is that we make it easy to upgrade between all of our major offerings. Whether a customer starts down at the vSphere level with Essentials, Essentials Plus, maybe even Standard, Enterprise, or Enterprise Plus, they can upgrade as they move towards a software-defined data center. They can go right to vSphere with Operations Management, or they can make a huge jump up to vCloud Suite if they're ready to present their own hybrid cloud strategy. And now let's take a quick look at a live demo of vSphere with Operations Management so that you can see what the user interface looks like and how easy it is to manage and realize these true benefits of operations management combined with vSphere. Let's take a look at a live demo of vSphere with Operations Management. You'll notice this dashboard provides a holistic view of our virtualized environment. We can see on this main dashboard view the health, risk, and efficiency badges. Health, on the top left here, helps you determine how each of your virtual machines is doing with a nice weather map display. It's easy to spot a problem virtual machine with this view, click on it, and then get a more granular view in the Operations tab. Risk, in the middle of the screen, provides insight into future problems that may arise, such as how stressed a certain virtual machine is, how much time remaining or capacity remaining before you run out of resources in your environment. You can use this badge to determine an object's projected future condition as well. Finally, on the right side of the screen, you see the efficiency badge. It provides details on a weighted combination of reclaimable waste and density in the environment when it comes to compute, networking, and storage resources. This provides opportunities for optimization that might not be apparent at first glance. Let's move on to the Environment tab. The Environment tab here shows an overview of the entire cluster from a top view right down to individual virtual machines if needed. A single click displays all related objects. You can even easily see the relationships between certain objects with a nice topology view and the hierarchy of each object. As I mentioned previously, the Operations tab gives details on the Health badge and shows things like anomalies and metrics related to problems happening now. What's nice about it as well is it gives you a hint as to where a certain problem may be stemming from within the cluster. The Planning tab is a summary of projected capacity and time remaining in terms of physical and virtual resources. Data that is super valuable to busy system administrators looking to plan future projects. Capacity Analytics uses trending and forecasting to provide a what-if scenario for capacity monitoring. As you can see in this Views gallery here, we can see what our virtual machine capacity is, the capacity efficiency, the optimization, and it'll actually tell you down to the actual date when you're going to run out of resources. The right side of the Alert tab shows the list and the type of all alerts in your environment, or we can be specific to the object selected as well. Clicking on it would take you to this actual Alerts tab that you see, which shows an alert volume chart and the actual list of alerts. We use heat maps to show hotspots in our environment related to resource usage from networking, storage I/O, and other abnormalities like overcommitting disk space. Finally, the Reports tab here offers insight into producing easily dispersed and understandable reports which can actually be scheduled to run in the future or ran on demand right now. This is just a high-level look into the type of monitoring, management, and operations automation that vSphere with Operations Management can provide for a customer not currently using this type of interface. Thanks for watching this demo. Thank you for attending today's vSphere with Operations Management Technical Fast Track, brought to you by Ingram Micro. You can reach us at VMware MD team at ingrammicro.com with any questions.